Have you come across this cool little sister add your sticker while going through Instagram stories, and you want to create a story with your sister by using this sticker? You came to the right place. I'll show you where you can find this cool little sticker and how you can create this viral Instagram story in just a couple of seconds. And before we start with the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more similar Instagram tutorial videos like this one. The first thing that we will do is to open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. After that, we have to go over to a specific Instagram profile in order to find this sticker template. I will tap on this search icon at the bottom, and then we have to search for this specific Instagram profile. You have to type 2 underscores, MAN, 1 underscore, MAUJI, and 1 underscore. So the username of the profile that we need is going to look like this, so take your time here. After you open this specific Instagram account, you want to find the Instagram Story Highlights section, and we will tap on the highlight that's called Templates. When you open this highlight, just scroll through it until you can see this specific story. You can see the sister text over the photo, and we will have this Add Yours button right here. Tap on this button, and that's going to open the template in our Instagram camera. We then have to upload a photo with our sister, and then we can share this with our friends and family members. If you were able to create this trending story, make sure to leave a like on this video, and I will see you in the next one.